Good morning, children. Today in exercise 1.2, fourth question, children. See this question. Find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. Children, there are two methods. One is mean method and the other method is I will tell you how to do. If he is asking 1 or 2 or 3, just very less numbers, you can take mean of two numbers, -1 and 2. And again you have to take mean of that whatever answer you got and the -1. Again like that you have to take mean and do. That is one method, children. And the another method is, see, I will tell you, very easy, children. Okay, find 12 rational numbers. These are 12 rational numbers. No, if it is less means you can do that method, means -1 plus 2 by 2, like that you have to do. Okay, see this one, children. Now find 12 rational numbers. No, see how I'll do. -1 is there, no, first one. So -1 can be written as equivalent fractions. How we will do, children? So for example, he is asking 12. No, you can multiply with 12 or you can multiply with 10, 20, 30, your wish. But more number, big number you multiply, children, not not multiplying with 2, not multiplying with 3. Just you multiply with any number. Okay, so here 12 he is asking, you can multiply with 12, 13, 14, 15, 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 also you can write. See, you can understand now. Into 12 by 12, equivalent fraction. So how much you got? -12 by 12. Okay, see, next one also 2 is there. 2 also multiply with 12, divide with 12. Equivalent fraction, children. When you are multiplying, you have to multiply with same number, divide also same number, so that if you cancel them, you will get same answer. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, you will get -1. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. 2 here answer. Okay, children. Why you are multiplying both with 12 only? Because you want denominators as 12 only. Okay, you should multiply with same number. Why? Because you should get like fractions only. That means denominators should be same. So 12 2s are 24 by 12. Now see, children, what happens. Therefore the rational numbers between -1 and 2 are, now start from this -12 by 12. Before that, on number line, what is there before? Yes, 12 before. -11 by 12, -10 by 12, -9 by 12, -8 by 12, -7 by 12, -6 by 12, -5 by 12, -4 by 12. Like that, write down, children. Here, yes, children, after this, yes, 0 by 12 or 12. 1 by 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here itself you got 12 rational numbers. So, like this, till where you have to write? 24 by 12. See how many rational numbers you got, children? So, you can multiply with 10. Here 10, here 10. Otherwise, 20. Otherwise, 100. Your wish. Okay, children? Thus, such type of questions are very important. Will be asked in your exams. Okay? Children, see this fifth question. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. See, children, I told you, for any comparisons or anything, we want like fractions. Here also you want rational number between this and this. Can you tell directly, children? No, I told you that here there should be like fractions. So take LCM for 3 and 4. Yes, now 3 and 4. 3 is prime, 4 is composite, and so 4 is not a multiple of 3. So 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 is our LCM. So you have to make 2 by 3. This 3 as 12, this 4 as 12. So 2 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 into which number you have to do, children? To make it 12. Yes, 3 4s are. So here if you are multiplying with 4, here also multiply with 4 only. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Like this we have to do. Next, 3 by 4 is there. Next, 3 by 4, no, children? Yes, 3 by 4. You have to make this 4 as 12. So 4 into which number is 12? 4 3s are. So up also multiply with 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Can you tell me directly by saying what are the numbers between 8 by 12 and 9 by 12? 8 to 9, 8 after 9 only, no. So can you tell directly? No. Again, here what we will do? Shall we do mean method? Because he is asking only a rational number, only one rational number he is asking. He is asking only one rational number. So we will do that mean method. I told you know how to do that mean method. No, teacher, we will do with that same method which you told means that method also you can do. So this one what you have to do is, so see this children, rational number between 8 by 12 and 9 by 12 is how to do children. I told mean means 8 by 12 plus 9 by 12 by 2. Mean means two numbers are there. So this number plus this number by 2. Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So sum of all observations means these two only, know. So add these two and divided by 2. These two are like fractions, directly you can add. So 8 plus 9 is 17. Here this 12 is there, no? It will go to denominator. Okay, this 12 is there, that will go to denominator. So 17 by 24. 17 by 24 is our answer. If he is asking find for example 8 rational numbers, otherwise 10 rational numbers, otherwise 20 rational, like that if it is asking, you multiply with any number so that you will get many rational numbers between them. Multiply and divide with like fourth sum you have to do. Here he asked only a rational number, so we have taken this mean method. Okay children, see this sum children. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. What is the question? Find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. I told you, no children, compulsory these fractions should be like fractions. If they are not like fractions, you have to convert into like fractions. For that, you have to take LCM. So 4, 6 LCM we will take. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So all prime numbers, no? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So LCM is 12 now. Okay, take minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Here this should be 12 now. Should be converted to 12. So into 3. Into 3. Why? Because 4 3s are 12. Minus 9 by 12. Next 5 by 6. This 5 by 6 can be written as a 6. Yes, 6 2s are 12. So into 2 into 2. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Now these two are like fractions. Okay. Now see children, what is the question? Find 10 rational numbers. Yes, here it is not 9, it is minus 9. So can you get 10 rational numbers or not? I am telling only numerator. See this minus between. Okay, between he is asking. So don't include minus 9. You will include minus 8. Minus 8 by 12, minus 7 by 12, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So many rational numbers we are getting. So what we will do here? We will write directly. No need to multiply and divide with any number. Like before some we, like fourth sum we multiplied like this, no? Sorry, wait. Like this we multiplied, no? So no need like this for this question. So how you will write? 10 rational numbers between minus 3 and 4 and 5 by 6 are, what you can write children? Yes, minus 9 before, minus 8 by 12, minus 7 by 12, minus 6 by 12, minus 5 by 12, minus 4 by 12. Like this you have to write. 0 by 12 or 0, anything children. Okay, okay. 0 by 12. Okay, 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, 4 by 12, 5 by 12, and so on till 9 by 12. See, you got 10 or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you got 10, you can leave here and write like this. So on. Before this number you have to write. No need to write 10 by 12. So it should be 9 by 12. Okay, children? Children, next topic is decimal representation of rational numbers. Children, we know that rational number is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q strictly not equals to 0. We know this now, children. So such type of fractions now we will see. Yes, these can be converted to these P by Q will be represented in the decimal representation. Okay, decimal form. See, children, there are two types here. First type I'll explain you now. Children, now question is, convert this fraction into decimal form. Convert this fraction into decimal form. See this, children, here how we will do. Yes, 5 divided by 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. 2. So you have to convert into decimal form, no? So here what we will do, children? Tell me how to do this. Yes, here 0 we will take. Okay, next what will happen, children? Here also point. Then we will get 0. Bring this 0 down now. Okay, yes. Now how to do, children? Yes, 3 6 are 18. Again you got, yes, 2 here, children. What happens next? Yes, here again you can take 0. Again 6. Again 2. Again 6 is there. Again 0. Okay, 18. Like that. The 6 is repeating. Okay, children. These are called non-terminating recurring decimals, children. These are called non-terminating recurring decimals. Why? Because this 6 is repeated many times. See, children, like that this 6 is going so on. So this can be written as 1.6. Like this, 1.6 bar, like this we have to write. Okay, children, this is one method. This is one. So many times we will see when we are dividing, we are getting repeatedly these digits like this. So these are called non-terminating non-recurring decimals. Understood, children? Sometimes, see, sometimes here whatever is getting quotient like this, it may repeat like 1.73 like this. That also you can repeat some when we are dividing some fraction. Such type, in that place what we will do, which is repeating, children? 73 is repeating always. 73 is repeating. So 1.73 only, right? On top of both you should write. So what is repeating, that should be written like this. Understood, children? Sometimes you may get like 25.6 82 82 82. So which is repeating here? 82 is only repeating. So 0.6 only on top of 82 put a bar on it, top of it. Understand, children? Whatever is repeating, that only should be put like this. 6 is not repeating, so 6 should be written like this. Understood, children? Okay. See this example, children. Will come 17 by 5 is in the form of rational number. Divide this one. Yes, 5 3s are 15. Yes, did you get here 0? No. So put point like this. Okay. Yes, you will get a 0 down now. Yes, after getting 0, what happens, children? Yes, children. Yes, 5 4s are 20. You got a remainder 0. Directly you got. So 17 by 5 is equals to 3.4. Normally we used to do these, no, children, like this. You understood, children? Yes. This is what happened now here, children. Is there any repeating of this? No. Simply we got answer directly. So these are called terminating decimals. These are called terminating decimals. These are called terminating decimals. Okay. Yes. Convert this 536 by 100 into decimal form. How children? Simply when you are having here number 2 zeros are there, no? Simply write first 536 like this. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So before 2 digits put a 0. Sorry, put a point. Understood children how to write? For example, see, I will tell another one. 94 divided by 1000 is there. Okay, you have to convert into decimal form. You have to write in decimal form. You have to write in decimal form. How to write? First write down 94. Here how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there. So before 3 digits you should put a point. Division means you have to moving towards left side like this. Okay, division by 10, 100, 1000 like that means. So 1, 2, 3 point. Understood children? So 3 digits before point is there or not? So what is this? Decimal representation of rational numbers. Actually rational numbers are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equals to 0. So here we are having terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals. So they are not terminating, they are not stopping at any place. Always repeating. Non-terminating means not stopping, and recurring decimals, recurring means always repeating here. So is 73 is stopping anywhere, it is going like this. So what you have to write? Yes, this is not stopping, at the same time it is always repeating. 73 is always repeating. So such type of is called non-terminated recurring decimals. But what happened here children? Here terminating decimals, because till here you got decimal as remainder as 0, but in the top one we did not get a remainder as 0. So that is we tell them as non-terminated recurring decimals. And this type of whatever we are getting direct answers like this, terminating decimals. What we say this? Terminating decimals. And another one is like this, simply if they are given like this, we will just put in decimal form. Okay children?